Hey guys, I'm Sanjeev. In this video, we will learn important function in Excel. Max function find highest value. Let's take an example. Equal to max. The syntax is number one. Can be represented by a numeric value, array, name, range, or references to a cell or range or containing numbers. Number one is required. Number two and subsequent argument are optional. What is the maximum number? Let's max, then enter. The maximum number 860. Let's change value. Okay. Mean function find lowest value. Number one is my this range and enter. 120 is my smallest value. Let's change to 45. 45. Okay. You can also type number directly in the list of argument like this max 1, 35, 89. Highest value is 89. Let's take another example to extract maximum score from this subject max. Mean for minimum value, minimum score, and control D for copy down. Sometime we want to extract second highest value, second highest number, and like currency and so on. So max is not useful for because max find highest value यानी कि first, it's mean first. So large function in Excel is used to return nth largest value from numeric data set. For example, it can calculate the highest score, the second highest, third highest, fourth highest, and so on. Large. Larger syntax consistent of two arguments, both which are required. Array, where array, a range or an array, where to search for the largest value, and k for position from the highest value to return. So my array is this. Array, it's simply like range. K, what is my position? I want to extract first highest value. So type 1 860, and if you want to second highest value, so same large, my array range is this, and second large, third large, fourth for fourth highest value. As you see here 833, it's two times because in data set 833 are showing two times. Just change one to it. The small function in Excel used to return the nth smallest value from numeric data set. Small. There are two arguments, both which are required. Array, my array, it's mean range. My range is this, and k means position from the highest to return. Sorry, from the lowest to return. 1 small, second. I think 120, it's 2 times. Let's change. Small. Now we want to extract second highest and third lowest. No. Large, my array is this, and position is second. My second highest is 89. First highest is 212 and third lowest. Small, my array is this, comma 3. Why it returns 212? Because my first is this, second is this smallest value, and third is this smallest value. You can simply double click for drag or simply copy paste. Upper function allows you to convert all lowercase letter in a text string to uppercase. Upper, my text is this, simply Control D or copy down. Lower function help to exclude capital letter from text. The proper function number make the first letter of each word capitalized and leaves the other lowercase. Let's see. Proper. Yes, Alan Conley, Billary, Graham Mackenzie. Let function in Excel return the specified number of characters from the start of string. Left. The syntax is text and number character. Text is the text string from which you want to extract a substring, and number character of string. My text is this. I want to extract 3 characters from product ID. So we need to type 3 for extract 3 characters from left side. If you want to extract 4 character, you simply type 4 character. Okay. Right function in Excel return the specified number of X character from the end of a number string. Right. Text, my text this is I want to extract product ID from product code and number character 3 from right side. It extract code from right side. Let's moving forward to mid function. Generally speaking, the mid function in Excel is designed to pull a substring from the middle of the original text. Mid function syntax is text start number and number character, where text is the original text string, start number is position of the first character that you want to extract, and number character is the number of character to extract. Text is this, my start number. I want to extract 653 from this product ID. So just count 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. My fifth character is 6, so I want to extract 6. And what is my number of character is 3. So equal to mid, my tax is this, start number 5 and number of character is 3. 653. Thanks for watching my video. For more video, please subscribe my channel.